Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about the REST API option in Netpicker. So with Netpicker, you also have the option of REST APIs, and you would use REST APIs for automation and speed, as opposed to doing everything manually in the graphical user interface. So the first thing you need to do is access the API documentation page or the Swagger page, and you would do that by going here to help, click on this, and from here you click on API documentation, and you're provided with this page, and everything is self-explanatory from now on. But keep in mind that we have different sections. For example, we have agents, we have administrative tasks, we have authorization tasks, and so on. And regarding each one of these sections, we have different CRUD operations. So if you've used REST APIs before, this is nothing different. Exactly the same. You just have to fill in the right parameters if needed. So in order to show you what is the workflow, I am going to first authorize against the system. So if I try to do anything here, for example, if I go and get the list of maybe devices inside the tenant. So the tenant is default because we are in the default tenant, and I don't have to provide anything else. If I execute, I'll get 401 unauthorized. So in order to authorize, first thing you need to do is go to the authorization section and click on one of these options. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on the JWT option, and instead of all these parameters, I'm going to fill in the username, which was admin.com, and password was 123456778. And I believe I can execute and send this request. This is a post request, and we get 200 back. So I will copy this to my buffer, and now I will go back to I believe it was here, get devices, get all devices, and what I need to do here is click on this lock icon. And since I generated a token, I'm going to use the HTTP bearer option. If you want to use the basic auth username and password, you have to fill in these slots. But since we chose a bearer token and retrieved a bearer token, I'm going to choose this option. So paste it here and authorize. So now the bearer token is saved, and if I close it, if you look at this lock icon, you see that it is now locked. If you look at this one, it is unlocked. So that means we've saved something. We've saved some kind of authorization value inside this request. Now, the only thing that's left to do is to execute and send this request. And now we get a list of all devices. We have a NXOS device and 2 iOS devices. So you have also the option of Postman, Python, or any other programming language. And again, if you have used REST APIs before, this is going to follow the exact same workflow. So that was it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one.